Make a great choice today with the 2024 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.